Hi students, Fatima Khan is here. Welcome to my course on Learn Makeup Applying Techniques to Look Flawlessly Beautiful. So in this video, I am gonna tell you about the sections of this course. This course has 4 sections. In the first section, we will learn that how can we apply the basic makeup. I will tell you all that thing in these lectures, and at the end of this section you will have important tips for applying the basic makeup. The second section covers that how can we do makeup flawlessly. I will also tell you it in detail in these lectures, and at the end of this section I will give you important tips. In the third section I will teach you that how can you apply everyday makeup. Like, it's a very important thing that some people need to apply makeup every day, so I will tell you all these things in detail, and I will also mention some important tips for applying everyday makeup. In fourth section I will tell you that how can we create smoky eyes. So I will tell you all the things in detail in these lectures, and at the end of this section I will give you important tips for creating smoky eye. So students, it was all the sections of this course, so let's start learning.